stir up some comforting chickpeas, also called Chana Masala, one of my all-time favorite recipes. What you'll need is 4 cups of chickpeas, 2 cups water, 2 tablespoons each tomato paste and baking soda, 1 teaspoon each cumin seeds, nigella seeds, salt, turmeric, 2 teaspoons each coriander powder, red chili powder, 5 green chilies, and a 1/4 cup chopped coriander. Here are the ingredients for you as well to screenshot. First, you'll take your chickpeas, wash them well, and coat them with the baking soda. The reason we do this is the baking soda helps us soften up the chickpeas so they're not hard in our curry. That's the last thing that you want in this curry. Then what you're going to do is take a pot and heat up about a 1/4 cup of oil. On medium flame, you're going to add the cumin seeds and nigella seeds and stir it for about 2 minutes till the color changes. Then you lower your heat, and what you're going to do is add your chickpeas in this mixture. Be very careful not to burn yourself, because I certainly have as the oil splatters. So you're going to mix well for about another couple minutes to ensure that the chickpeas are coated with all the seeds in this. Then you're ready to add your tomato and all your dry spices to this mixture. At this point, you want to stir fry this for about 5 minutes or so until all the chickpeas are coated with all the spices and the tomatoes. Again, this is such an easy recipe. I learned this from my dad, and it was one of his all-time favorites, and it's such a popular dish. I make it for almost every party that I host, and it's always a fan favorite. So trust me, once you make this, you will be in heaven. What you're going to do is after 5 minutes, you're going to add about 2 cups of water to this mixture. The water should just about cover the chickpeas in the pot. Stir it well so there's no tomato that's left aside. You want to make sure everything is blended. You're going to take aluminum foil, cover your pot, put the cover on top, and then you're going to lower your heat and ensure that this will not get burnt that way. And you're going to let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes max. Come back to it, take off your foil carefully, wear a glove if needed, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. At this point, your chickpeas are ready. You can check it out. Feel it with your hand. It should be soft. Add your coriander and your green chilies. Again, stir well. If you want to dry it up a bit, you could. I leave it just like this. You can eat this by itself. You can eat it with bread. You can eat it with rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you try out the recipe, and let me know in the comment section if you have any question and if you try it out, how it is. Thanks again, and here are the ingredients for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. And if you have any requests, please let me know. Thank you.